Today, we're heading to one of Japan's most iconic landmarks, Mount Fuji. Standing tall at 3,776 meters, this majestic peak is a symbol of Japan. Ready to dive into the history, fun fact, and breathtaking beauty of Mount Fuji? Let's go. So, picture this. Mount Fuji is actually a stratovolcano, and it last erupted in 1707. It's been a sacred site for centuries with Shinto shrines scattered around its base and summits. The mountain is also a major inspiration in Japanese art and culture, featuring prominently in poetry and literature. Mount Fuji is perfectly symmetrical, which adds to its stunning beauty. It's no wonder it's been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The mountain is a pilgrimage spot for both local and tourists alike, with over 300,000 people making the climb to its summit each year during the official climbing season from July to September. If you're up for the challenge, there are 4 main routes to the top: Yoshida, Tsubashiri, Gotemba, and Fujinomiya. Each route offers different experiences and difficulty level, but all lead to the same rewarding view from the summit. Watching the sunrise from the peak, known as Goraiko, is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Not ready for a full-on climb? No worries. You can still enjoy the beauty of Mount Fuji from various vantage points around the region. The Fuji 5 Lakes area offers stunning views, especially from Lake Kawaguchi. Or hop on the Mount Fuji panoramic ropeway for a bird's-eye view of this magnificent volcano. And here is a tip. The best time to catch a clear view of Mount Fuji is in the early morning or late afternoon, particularly in the colder months from November to February. During these times, the skies are often clearer, providing picture-perfect views of the peak. Before you wrap up your visit, why not stop by the Shureito Pagoda? This 5-story pagoda offers one of the most iconic views of Mount Fuji, especially during cherry blossom season. It's the perfect spot for that postcard-worthy photo. So, whether you're climbing to the summit or admiring from afar, Mount Fuji is a must-see. Snap a selfie with the iconic summit and tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!